Hello friend! Today we learn about the duplicate function. Let's start. Here I have my grocery list and here I have the target list. Now if you can see, in my grocery list I have something like twice and more. Example, my eggs I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So here my target list, I have the eggs once time. So, what can I do? I remark my list and then I press on the data in my toolbar and then I press on remove duplicate button. Now I take the continue with my current selection and remove duplicated. Now it's take the column grocery list. I press on OK and then it's find 20 duplicate value. Then I press on OK button. Now if you can see, my grocery list it's look exactly like my target list. I have the eggs once time, like here. Okay, so let's do a summary. First, I remark all I want. Next, I press on the data in my toolbar and then I press on the remove duplicated button, like here. Okay guys, please subscribe after me and have a good day. Bye bye.